Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card into your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or 11 Pro Max. The first thing you'll want to do is to search inside your iPhone box for a SIM card tray ejection tool. It'll look like this. Don't worry if you don't find one, because I'll show you how to use a paperclip instead at the end of this video. For those of you who found the tool, I want you to go ahead and locate the SIM card tray. It'll be on the right-hand side of your iPhone. You'll notice a small hole where the tray is located. Take your tool and push in that hole. Don't be afraid to use some force. New iPhone trays usually slide right open, but if you have an older iPhone, it can have some junk in it that'll make it a bit more difficult to open. Once popped, you can go ahead and slide the tray completely out. Now grab your SIM card and pay attention to the cut corner on it. You'll want to match that cut corner with the one located in the SIM tray. Once you get those two lined up correctly, you can go ahead and drop the SIM card into place. Now you can insert your loaded SIM tray into your iPhone. It should take 10 to 20 seconds to connect to your carrier after recognizing a working SIM. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. For those of you without a SIM card tray ejection tool, you can fashion yourself a paperclip just like this. With your newly fashioned paperclip, locate the SIM card tray on the right-hand side and use a bit of force to push the tray open. Important note here, make sure the paperclip is small enough to fit inside the SIM tray's hole. New SIM trays usually slide right open, but if you have an older iPhone, you may need to use a bit more force to open it up. Once popped open, slide that tray out and locate your SIM. Pay attention to the cut corner on your SIM and make sure to line it up to the SIM tray's cut corner. Once that SIM is dropped in correctly, everything will be flush and ready for you to slide that SIM tray right back into your phone. Wait about 10 to 20 seconds and you should be connected to your carrier service if you have a working SIM. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Love you all, and I'll catch you in the next one.